Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Razr 40, and today I will show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen, and then you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now one of those toggles should be our power saving toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left, and this will show you a second page where my toggle is located. Once you see it, you can tap on it, and there you go, it is now enabled. Now that being said, if you experience a delay in notification delivery, or just that your notifications aren't being delivered at all to you, then this is probably the fault of your power saving mode, and obviously to solve it you would turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.